Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Good Wednesday morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. We've got an active couple of days of weather across eastern Iowa with rain moving through today, especially here during the morning hours. That's where it will be most widespread. Rain and thunderstorms likely here on Thursday with breezy conditions. We'll dry things out by Friday, but it will be windy and much colder. We'll time everything out with Future Track. We'll start you off with the rain this morning. It will be fairly widespread here through the mid-morning hours, but by late morning into the afternoon, the main bulk of the rain will continue to track off to the east. Still some light to moderate rainfall from Dubuque down towards Cedar Rapids and Iowa City. That all tracks off to the east and southeast this afternoon. We'll be left with low clouds and some areas of drizzle. That trend is going to continue here through the evening hours, and then by tomorrow morning, we'll start to see more periods of light rain and drizzle. That's going to continue through about mid-morning, and then a warm front lifts through the area. This is going to be bringing in a lot of moisture and some warmer temperatures. That's going to lead to some added instability, so we could be talking about some heavier rainfall with some thunderstorms here by mid tomorrow morning. As we head into the afternoon, the rain will track off to the north. We will get left with a dry period late in the afternoon toward the early evening. So depending on how much the atmosphere can recover from the morning rainfall and how warm those temperatures get will dictate how strong the storms will be tomorrow afternoon. We're going to have a cold front here off in central Iowa, continue to track off to the east and southeast. That's going to lead to the possibility of some stronger storms as this cold front continues to sweep through the area. Once all is said and done, we could be talking about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain between now and tomorrow evening. So I could see some hefty rainfall totals in some areas. Now, once that front does clear the area tomorrow night, to the backside there might be a couple lingering snow showers. Otherwise, things will dry out by the time we head into Friday morning. Here's a look at the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. The yellow indicates a slight risk of severe weather for the bulk of the KWWL viewing area. This might shift. In fact, it probably will shift later this morning and even into tomorrow morning, either I would guess a little farther south. It just all depends on where that warm front does track and how much instability we get tomorrow afternoon. So we'll certainly have a better idea of the placement of this highest potential of severe weather as we head later in time. So you'll want to stay up to date with the latest forecasts. Your Storm Track 7 forecast today has rain likely, some areas of drizzle here this afternoon. Temperatures middle 40s to low 50s, a southeast wind at 5 to 15. Cloudy tonight. We'll have some areas, potentially a little bit of fog, but some areas of light rain and drizzle as well. Overnight lows will be in the 40s, so we're not really going to fall much from our daytime highs. Then as we head into the day on Thursday, which by the way is the first day of spring, it doesn't start until about 10:50 at night. But nonetheless, it's going to be very spring-like with temperatures in the lower 50s north to middle 60s across the south, depending on where that warm front sets up. We'll have areas of rain and thunderstorms, and outside of those thunderstorms, we'll see those winds anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour. So any severe weather threat tomorrow will be large hail and damaging wind, the primary threat. Can't rule out a tornado as well. Temperatures on Friday will be much cooler in the 30s with windy conditions. Could have wind gusts up to 35 or 40 miles per hour. We'll start to rebound those temperatures here this weekend with dry conditions until next Tuesday.